Hi everyone, this is Melissa Robbins here. I'm going to do my video, I suppose, for the pre and post assessments that I'm working on for my learning segment. Just a little bit of an intro. My learning segment is about wildlife trading, and I'm going to do this with 11th grade environmental science class. And the deficiency that I'm focusing on is getting them to have deeper thinking, to actually respond in more than one word answers, one word responses. For instance, the question, what is wildlife trading? I would expect some of them to say trading wildlife as their final answer. So I'm trying to get them to think a little bit deeper with their responses. So my thought to do, this is going to be a week-long segment that I'm going to do. My thought that I want to do for pre and post testing is I have a list of questions. And one of the questions is, in fact, what is wildlife trading? And questions along the lines of what is it and how does it affect the environment? And is it a good thing? And list some ways that it would be a negative impact. So the pretest, I just want the students to answer these questions to the best of their ability. And again, I know these students. I know that a lot of their answers are just short and sweet, as quick as they can get through it. And they don't necessarily know a lot about wildlife trading yet. So that'll be Monday. And then I'm going to do these lessons. I have planned lessons for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And I want to give them the exact same test on Friday, hopefully with much more in-depth responses to those questions of what is wildlife trading, how does it impact the environment, things like that. So this is a spreadsheet that I was looking at, and these numbers that are on here are really just examples. I obviously haven't done this yet. I haven't tested anybody, but I'm just hoping to see big increases, and I have created a rubric that goes with it to kind of assess their understanding. Um, so you could see some pre-test and some post-test scores. And again, my goal is just to see a lot deeper thinking from between Monday and Friday. And down here on the bottom, I thought this would be a good way to assess the students too, in the beginning and in the end. So basically, they are just choosing between a happy face, kind of a medium in the middle face, and a sad face. And the happy face is basically means I know all about wildlife trading. I feel like I could teach it. And in the middle is somewhat like I know a little bit about wildlife trading, but I still have more to learn. And then a sad face is like, I don't understand it at all. So just a quick way for them to assess themselves in the beginning and in the end. And I'm hoping to see them go, obviously, to a whole bunch of happy smiley faces by Friday. So that is my goal for pre and post assessing. So I do have some activities planned where I will be assessing them on what they are doing, but also more what they are saying based on what they are doing. So I'm really looking for a deeper understanding throughout all of us, and here's hoping it works. I'm planning this to come up within the next couple of weeks, so I'm sure that you all will hear how it goes. So happy Friday, or sorry, happy Sunday.